Hi guys! So for today's video is i-showcase ko sa inyo yung aking HTML, CSS, and JavaScript website. And yeah, and let's go and proceed to my work.
So now is magpo-proceed tayo ngayon sa aking Unscripty shop. And makikita nyo dito lahat ng aking list of t-shirt na binibenta and the price and the name and the add to cart. So mag-add to cart tayo and makikita mo siya dun sa cart icon na nadagdagan yung na-add to cart natin. Ayan. So next is kapag kinil natin yung icon is makikita natin yung shopping cart, which is yung mga in-add to cart natin. And then din yung mga price kung magkano, and pwede mo siya idagdagan. And yan, pwede mo siyang dagdagan din dito at ng price, and pwede mo rin siyang bawasan and mawala siya onto 0. Yan. So next is let's proceed to checkout. So in this checkout is makikita mo rin dito yung list of product na nilagay mo sa cart mo, yung quantity, yung price, and also the name and the price of the t-shirt. Okay. So ayan, meron din tayong button ng keep shopping para bumalik doon sa pag-shopping natin. So next is itong checkout form. So fill up natin yan lahat, full name, email address, phone number, and payment method. And makikita mo din dito yung total quantity, which is 9. Lahat ng list, nasa lahat ng list natin, and also the total price ng overall lahat ng binili natin. So pag sinend mo to is mag-send ito through your email. Yan, so ipapakita natin siya. So refresh na natin yung email natin, and yeah, so ito na ngayon yung email natin, which is andito yung ating email, name, address, phone number, payment method, and total quantity and total price. So ito yung form, ito yung sa form na ginawa natin. And yun lang, and thank you for watching.